Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make creamy garlic prawns. So let's get started.
I've got here 3/4 cup of chicken stock, 750 grams of raw prawns which I have peeled, cleaned and rinsed, 1 cup of thickened cream, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 6 cloves of grated garlic, 3 tablespoons of chopped butter, half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of grated Parmesan cheese which is optional, and 2 tablespoons of fresh or frozen chopped parsley. For thickening the sauce, I've got here 2 tablespoons of water and 4 teaspoons of corn flour. Place a non-stick fry pan on medium heat. Add half of the butter and heat it until the butter has melted. Add the prawns in a single layer and cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn them over and cook it for another 2 minutes. Take them out, put it in a dish and put it aside. Add the remaining butter and heat it until the butter has melted. Add garlic and cook it for 30 seconds, stirring it continuously. Add chicken stock, mix it well and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes or until the stock thickens slightly, stirring it continuously. Add cream, black pepper, salt and parsley. Mix it well, bring it to a boil and cook it for 2 minutes, stirring it once or twice. Add prawns and Parmesan cheese. Give it a mix and cook it for 1 minute. To thicken the sauce, mix corn flour and water together and add it to the sauce. Mix it well and cook it for 1 minute or until the sauce thickens slightly, stirring it continuously. After 1 minute, taste your salt. It doesn't need any more salt, but you can add it according to your taste. Turn the heat off and it is ready to serve. My creamy garlic prawns are ready and you can make it and serve it with some mashed potatoes and roast vegetables, your favorite pasta or some chips and garlic bread. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.